Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I am G. Vijaya Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manu Vedam 7472. So let's crack 10th CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. Here it is a super short introduction about me. I have done my B.Ed after finishing my BSc. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience in mentoring NTSC and CBSE board examinations. Okay, as I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for this NTSC and CBSE board examinations. Okay, so crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform by taking the Plus subscription so that you can access the unlimited live and recorded courses from India's best educators. So for that you need to take the subscription. So what are the benefits if you take the subscription? Daily live classes you have, structured courses you have, live tests and quizzes and unlimited access. With one subscription, all the subjects you can go for live and recorded classes. So here is my code. When you are applying my code, immediately 10% of instant reduction you will get. 10% of instant reduction you will get. Gift, as in the form of gift I will give you. Then 1 month course will be of 2250 rupees. 6 months it is 9000 rupees. 12 months it is 13500 rupees. 24 months it is 22500 rupees. 36 months it is 28,800 rupees. So daily live classes you people are attending in the special classes where so much of content we all are delivering. So suppose you can imagine more than this in the live, in the Plus subscription you will get. So now it's time to learn from the India's top educators. These are few of the top educators who are going to teach you in this platform the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English, science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. Okay, we are in touch with the Telegram app also, that is Quest 10 CBSE. Just type the link in the URL so that you will get all the updates there. Okay, so we are what you have to do, you have to install the Academy learning app from the Play Store. After installing, goal for CBSE class 10 and take the subscription by using the referral code BMCBSE or SP Vijaya. It is the special class code. Okay, anything you can use, but आप सबको तो रट्टा मार चुके हो VMCBSE, just use that. So today's thought: replace your negative thought with a positive one. Already it is September. अभी सितंबर का मंथ है. अभी तक अगर आपने पढ़ाई नहीं शुरू की है, you are not late. अभी आप शुरू कर सकते हो. ओके, सितंबर. ओके, कल ही मैंने दिया था 4 मंथ्स का स्ट्रैटेजी वीडियो. वो छोटा सा था. इन अ डिटेल आई एम गोइंग टू प्लान अगेन. सो सितंबर, October, November, December. You need to finish your syllabus by December. With finish, you have to finish your syllabus by December with 2 set of revisions. So how many times you have already practiced? You just imagine. आप सोच लो कितनी बार आपने पढ़ा. अगर आपने पढ़ लिया तो रिविजन शुरू करो. अगर नहीं पढ़ा तो अभी से पढ़ना एटलीस्ट शुरू कर दो. सितंबर you have to start and finish it by December with 2 set of complete revision. 2 sets of complete revision. Okay, 2 set of complete revision when you will do, so you are clear, so that you can go for number of sample papers and all mock test papers which we are going to plan. I am also going to plan. So today onwards you are going to practice this, and tomorrow onwards there is a Telegram series also, test series. So these all things together you need to practice so that you will become the top in the physics. Okay, follow me in the Unacademy app. All of you download that Unacademy app. My name is Vijaya Manorama Govindu. So you just type that, you will go to my profile, follow me there, watch all my videos. Here also below the video in the description box, description box में आपको सारे links मिलेंगे क्वेश्चन बैंक सीरीज का एज वेल एज ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज का। 24 ऑब्जेक्टिव सीरीज, 30 क्वेश्चन बैंक सीरीज है। सो सारे सीरीज एक के बाद एक चैप्टर वाइज मैंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के साथ हमने कर लिया। आज शुरू हो रहा है सुपर 30 न्यूमेरिकल्स, द इम्पॉर्टेंट न्यूमेरिकल्स विच CBSE हैज given in the website, and from that only I am going to discuss each and every numerical in a detailed manner, so that whatever the concept you have learned you can connect and you can solve. Maybe you feel sometimes it is easy only repeatedly why it is, but repeatedly if I am conducting such classes also, most of the children are doing mistakes. So it's better now onwards very seriously you start your preparation. Okay, so replace every negative thought with a positive one. जो हो गया सो हो गया, जो बीत गई सो बात गई. Okay, now concentrate on your studies. Already it is September 15. तो बी सीरियस नाउ ऑनवर्ड्स. अगर थोड़ा सा सीरियस हो जाओगे ना तो आपकी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी तरह से चलेगी. बिफोर गोइंग टू द सॉल्विंग, दिस इज द होमवर्क. यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इन द कमेंट बॉक्स में आप लोग लिख देना 1 2 3 4 करके. ओके, इन द राइट द आंसर्स in the comment box. Okay, 18 are there. Answer in the comment box. Total chapter is covered in this. If you just go through with the questions also, very easily you can answer. Okay, only the thing is little time you need to spend for this. Okay, solve it. So repeated and important numericals for numericals. दिस इज एज सुपर 30 पार्ट 1. सुपर 30 में से पार्ट 1 है. सुपर 30 क्वेश्चंस जो भी न्यूमेरिकल्स इंपॉर्टेंट वाले हैं वो मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ, जो कि CBSE बोर्ड ने दिया और रिपीटेडली वैसे ही क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं. ओके, सो दोज ऑल थिंग्स एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द टाइम, एज यू ऑल नो दैट आई मेक द टाइनी सेशन, सो इट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइनी सेशन विथ 6 क्वेश्चंस. जस्ट गो फॉर इट, वॉच इट. लाइक करना, लाइक करने में कंजूसी मत दिखाना, लाइक करना सेशन को, और जितना हो सके शेयर करो. आप भी प्रैक्टिस करो सारे 6 क्वेश्चंस. जो भी ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन बैंक सीरीज है उसका कंटिन्यूएशन सोच लो इसका. ओके, दिस सीरीज ऑल्सो यू विल फाइंड इन द, यू विल गेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्लेलिस्ट, so that you can practice all. Okay, if 30 questions finished, again I will start second set of super 30 also, so don't worry about that. So just go for the first question. If the charge of an electron be 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb, find the approximate number of electrons in 1 coulomb. So यहाँ पे चार्ज दिया हुआ है इलेक्ट्रॉन का. So there are 2 different types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. How many types of charges are there? Positive charge and negative charge. As we all know that properties of charges also, unlike poles will attract, like poles will repel. So यहाँ, so these all things we know. Charge of the electron. Okay, what is the SI unit of charge? SI unit of charge is coulomb. Coulomb is the SI unit of charge. Okay, so this charge, each and every atom is made up of, atom has 3 subatomic particles. As we all know that electron, protons and neutrons. Neutrons and protons are present in the nucleus. Electrons which always revolve around the nucleus. So this number of electrons and number of protons are always same. So here the value also same, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. 1 electron equal to, or if it is with negative value, it is 1.6 minus 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. The charge of an electron it is the charge of an electron. The same thing, 1 proton equal to positive 19. Okay, so if the charge of an electron is this one, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Find out the approximate number of electrons in 1 coulomb. So how you will find this? The formula of quantity of charges is number of electrons. That only we are telling now. One electron is these many coulombs, means one electron, number of electrons is the quantity of charge. So here 1 coulomb equal to n. What is the electron value? 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. N equal to 1 by 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Okay, just solve it. If you solve, n is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay, constitute 1 coulomb of charge. 1 coulomb of charge. Okay. So alternately we can say 1 coulomb is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power of 18 protons also. Protons also worth or electrons worth of charge depending on whether it is positive or negative charge. Depending upon whether it is positive charge or negative charge. But here already electrons is mentioned. So this is the first equation of the chapter. Q is equal to Ne. Okay. So hope you understood this. This is the first question of textbook. Okay. CBSE 2016 this question is given. ये generally whatever we are discussing that is 1 mark or 2 mark questions. Okay. Whether it is 1 mark or 2 mark, you need to give the detailing. Power of a lamp is 60 watts. Find the energy. Okay, power of the lamp is 60 watts. Find the energy in joules consumed it in 1 second. Okay. It is a repeated question from 2014 onwards. 2014 it was given repeatedly. They give these type of questions. So whenever these numericals you do know, you have to first write down given. This already we have discussed so many times. Okay, P equal to क्या होता है? What is the P given? 60 watts. What is the T given? 1 second. Very easy. Energy equal to power into time. Okay, energy equal to power into time. What is the power given? 60 watts. And what is the time given? 1 second. So 60 joules. You have to express this in joules. That is only the question now. Find the energy in joules consumed by it in 1 second. Okay. It is very easy. What is the lowest resistance that can be obtained by combining 4 coils of resistance 4, 8, 12 and 24? देखो, lowest resistance means what is that? Lowest resistance. In which case lowest resistance we will find? बता दो आंसर चैट में बताओ. Lowest resistance and where we will get? What is the lowest resistance that can be obtained by combining 4 coils of resistance? Lowest resistance means parallel connection. Lowest resistance means parallel connection. So what is the formula of parallel? 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus R4. It was given like this. 4 are connected in parallel. So that you can find out the okay, they are connected in parallel. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. What is the LCM? LCM is 24. Okay. 4 6 are 24. 8 3 are 12 2 are 12 ones. 24 ones are. So what you will get? It is 4, 8, 12, 24. Okay, 12 ones are okay. So Rp equal to 2 ohms. Okay, लोएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस का मतलब हमेशा याद रखना पैरेलल कनेक्शन. मैक्सिमम मीन्स series. Okay, so here individually if you add, if it is in series more you will get, but whereas in the low parallel connection lowest will be the resistance of all the resistors which were connected in parallel. A wire of resistance 5 ohms is bent in the form of a circle. In the form of a circle it was bent. Shapes are there, not there. So in the form of a circle it was bent. Okay, imagine this is the diameter of that. Okay, a 5 ohms of resistance is bent in the form of a closed circle. What is the resistance between 2 points at the end of any diameter of the circle? What is R given? R is 5 ohms. Okay, two semicircular elements are connected across the diameter A and B, these two semicircles. So then what it will become? Two halves will become as 5 by 2 and 5 by 2. 5 by 2 and 5 by 2 it will become. So total resistance is 5 ohms already given. What is the resistance between 2 points at the ends of any diameter? These two are how they are connected? They are connected in parallel. It is a parallel connection. So 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2. Okay, equal to 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 equal to 4 by 5. Rp equal to 5 by 4 ohms. Okay, solving easy peasy, no? सॉल्व कर सकते, आपको आता है ये सब कुछ. ओनली द थिंग इज लिटिल यू हैव टू इन्वॉल्व योरसेल्फ इन दिस. State which has the higher resistance at 50 watts or a 25 watts lamp bulb and how many times it is, that also you need to tell. Okay, so what are the things given, what are the power formulas are there? Just recollect once what are the power formulas. P is equal to VI होगा यहाँ पे. P is equal to V square by R. ये कनेक्शन होगा 50 watts and 50 watts और 25 volts, sorry 25 watts, two are there. So based on that state which has the higher resistance, किसका higher resistance है वो हमें बताना है. So substitute the values. R equal to V square by P. Okay, so यहाँ what are the things given? P1 equal to 50 watts, P2 equal to 25 watts, 25 watts. Okay, R equal to R1 and R2 respectively, because it is given now. Okay, so R equal to V square by P. What is V? V means it is not given, you need to find. P is given as 50. Sorry, R1 R2 we will take, so that it will be clear. Okay, R1 equal to R1 and R2 two we can consider is R1 equal to V square by 50, R2 equal to V square by 25. Okay, ohms. Okay, now the ratio, how many times if it is asked, it means ratio we need to R1 by R2 equal to, it will cut or not, 25 by 50 equal to 1 by 2, R1 equal to half R2. So 50 watt bulb has half resistance than half resistance than 25 watts. Okay. How many times it is, and how many the higher resistance, which state which has higher resistance of 50 watts or a 25 watts lamp bulb, and how many times. So resistance is R1 equal to half of the R2. So how much time it is? 50 watts bulbs has half resistance more than 25 watts. Okay, so this is a cylinder of a material is 10 centimeters long and has a cross section of 2 centimeters square. If its resistance along the length be 20 ohms, what will be its resistivity number and units you need to tell. So what are the things given? Whenever you come across with any numerical, first frame this given part so that you can answer very easily. Given L equal to 10 centimeters, okay, A equal to 2 centimeters square. R equal to 20 ohms. Given everything. So what you need to find? Resistivity. Resist R equal to rho L by A. Okay. Rho equal to R into A by L. Okay. R is given as 20. It is 2 by 10. 2 5 is 10. 5 4 is 20. Equal to 4 ohm meter centimeter. Okay. Ohm centimeter. What will be its resistivity in number and units? It is number and it is unit. Ohm centimeters it was. Okay. So आज का super 6 खत्म. 6 questions we have solved. Practice all this type of songs because repeatedly see this is 2004 का है ये वाला हो गया 2005 का, ये वाला हो गया ये भी 2005 का, ये 2010 का है, 2014 का है और 2016 का है. So इतने सारे previous questions when we are repeating, there is no scope of losing the marks in your final examination. Only the thing is follow me for physics, CBSE physics. I teach very nicely. Okay, CBSE का जो physics रहता है I teach very nicely physics का. Much I have practiced so physics in YouTube very nicely. Okay, and in Unacademy app science पढ़ाती हूँ सब कुछ. Okay, तो इसलिए do join me, go to my profile in Unacademy, follow me there, watch all my videos. जितना हो सके watch करो और अपने friends को share करो. Okay, so फिर कल मिलते हैं सुपर 6 और सुपर 6 क्वेश्चंस के साथ. ओके, सो आप लोग हाँ ये भी सॉल्व कर दिया. ये रेजिस्टेंस रेजिस्टिविटी ये सारे सम जो है कंटिन्यूसली अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे अभी से भी, एवरी डे यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस फिजिक्स, अभी से भी अगर आप कर लेते हो तो बहुत अच्छी तरह से आप मार्क्स गेन कर पाओगे. अनअकैडमी ऐप आप लोग को इंस्टॉल करना है. इंस्टॉल कर लेने के बाद क्या करेंगे? गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th, देन सब्सक्रिप्शन VMCBSE. ओके, VMCBSE करके ले लेना सब्सक्रिप्शन. पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी तरह से चल रही है. तो व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग यूजिंग माय कोड, 1 month कोर्स विल बी ऑफ 2250 रुपीज बिकॉज आपको 10% का इंस्टेंट रिडक्शन गिफ्ट मिलेगा. ओके, देन 1 month कोर्स विल बी ऑफ 2250. 6 months it is 9000. 12 months it is 13,500. 24 months it is 22,500. 36 months it is 28,800 रुपीज. सिर्फ 800 रुपीज में आपकी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छी तरह से चलेगी. मीन्स ऑल द सब्जेक्ट्स पर डे 25 रुपीज यू आर पेइंग. अच्छी बात है ना? तो थैंक यू. सुपर 30 सीरीज को थोड़ा सा ग्रैंड बनाओ, जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करो. लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, हिट द बेल आइकॉन फॉर ऑल द अपडेट्स. ओके, सो VMCBSE पे भी क्लिक कर देना जब आप सब्सक्रिप्शन ले रहे हो, तो उससे बहुत अच्छा मोटिवेशन मिलेगा और अच्छी अच्छी क्लासेस बनाने का. ओके, थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल.